Section 3 of the CAP 697 contains the data pertaining to the multi-engine piston aeroplane. The example multi-engine piston aeroplane is a monoplane with twin engines and twin counter-rotating constant-speed propellers. It also has a retractable undercarriage. As a matter of general interest, the example aeroplane is a Piper Seneca 2. The following pages in this section allow the pilot to calculate essential flight planning data. The data is presented in the form of graphs and tables, just like it was with the single-engine flight planning section. These graphs and tables are quite detailed and will be comprehensively dealt with in separate lessons. However, this lesson will just give a very brief overview of the data in the section. On page 3 of section 3 is the graph for working out the time, distance and fuel to climb from a given takeoff altitude to a specific cruise altitude. An important point to note is that, like most of the graphs, the distance given is in nautical air miles. The next graph, figure 3.2 on page 4 of section 3, gives us the maximum range in nautical air miles for various heights and power settings at the standard temperature, with and without reserves. We will very quickly cover a few of the important points about the graph. The range figures include climb and descent distances. The box in the top left corner of the graph explains the adjustments to be made for non-standard temperatures. The range increases by approximately 1 nautical mile for each degree Celsius above ISA, and decreases by 1 nautical mile for each degree Celsius below ISA. Lastly, the power settings are given as percentages of full power and are explained in the top right-hand corner of the graph. 75% is for high-speed cruise, 65% is for economy cruise, and 45% is for long-range cruise. On page 5 of section 3, figure 3.3 gives the fuel flow in gallons per hour for each power setting, RPM, and manifold pressure at standard temperature. The corrections to be applied in non-standard temperatures are given in paragraph 4.1.2. On page 6 of section 3, figure 3.4 calculates the true airspeed for various combinations of height, temperature, and power setting. Endurance in hours and decimals of an hour is found in figure 3.5, and, just like with the range graph, endurance can also be calculated with or without the 45 minutes reserve fuel. The final graph in this section, figure 3.6, gives the fuel, time and distance required for a descent from various altitudes. Once again, the distances are in nautical air miles.